Let's go eat some tuslobua. Oh my God, maulaw ko. Guys, bagor ako nakamata kay giduka ko. This na betchin? Karot. May karon sa ate asata?
Puso Village.
Here we are, Jan's Tuslobua. Wako ka ba film idiri? We're here with Bossing and ganahan siya mukhaon og lechon. Yes. Nahala ko, mauuntog ako dito. Asa ta mo lingkod, ate? I love Cebu. Guys, ngayon kayo magpa-picture sa akin kay gwapan ako. Maula ko mag-vlog in public pero kebs ay memories man eh, right? Ron, palit may Karkar lechon, and if you didn't know, Karkar is actually where my family is from. Wow. Karkar lechon. Tagalog mo siya. Sir, nag-vlog ko, okay ra? Okay. Guys, naata diri Karkar lechon. We're here with nag-interview. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Jonna May and we are the owner of Karkar Lechon House.
Taga-Karkar ka?
Yes. Actually, yung husband ko.
Oh, family taga-Karkar. Get to know? Yes, yes. Akong dad's side. Akong mom's side.
You're so pretty.
Hello, thank you. Bagor ako
You're
kamata.
pretty sa kanya.
Abi na ko, patikos online.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Ganahan ko siya makatilaw og Karkar lechon. Kasi I always say Karkar lechon is
the best.
Hello!
Thank you.
Yan yung puso. Babe, how many puso? And then, usa ka kilog lechon, sir. Lami ni sir. Wait, taga-Karkar ba ako? Karkar Pride. In ani magluto og tuslobua. Featuring my super guwapa cousin. Why?
First step, you gisa the ahos and the kuan.
So, wala ko yung bag dire, face card lang. Basta imong ibutang ang brain ng baboy, no?
Yeah.
And imong igisa ang mga...
Onion.
Kung imong igisa ang utan, dili lagi.
Kaya may buwa kasi bubbles. Tapos ito snob, idip. Yan.
The reason why it's called tuslobua is because you dip the puso in the baboy. Indeed, in the bubbles of the pig's brain. There, like that. This is actually Bossing's favorite. Yan. Lami.
Lami.
Thank you, ma'am. Yung pamilyang hina-high blood lagi.
Dahil, hindi ka yung gloves niya, dahil.
Lami kayo. Kaon, guys.
Saan balikan?
Ate, lechon. Ganito yung lasa ng lechon, babe. Walang-wala ang lechon sa Manila. Ay, huwag niyo ko i-bash. Proud lang ako dito. Human na may kaon, karon mo palit tag mangga. Are you mabdos?
Char.
It looks so good. Lami ni?
You want the
Sweet and spicy. Halang kayo, ate? Halang kayo? Taas-taas akong tolerance. Okay na. Kabog. Potato corner Cebu version. How come if mag-crave kag mangga, the older people will say mabdos ka? Comment below. At kalami. This yaw-yaw? Thank you, ate. Yaw-yaw dup. Lami.
Sulit yung bottom natin, dahil.
Thank you, Lord, for the food. Mwah. Bye. Love, love.